Welcome to our tutorial on how to check single post impressions on X Twitter on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by opening X on your PC to access your Twitter account. Next, locate and tap on your profile image situated in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Profile to navigate to your profile page where your posts are displayed. Select the specific post that you want to check the impressions for. Within the post, tap on View Tweet Activity to view detailed insights such as impressions, engagements, and more related to that particular tweet. By following these steps, you can easily check the impressions of a single post on X, Twitter, on your PC, gaining valuable insights into its reach and engagement. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to check single post impressions on X, Twitter, on your PC. Monitor the performance of your tweets to optimize your Twitter strategy and enhance your social media presence.